If I had to start over in crypto today, no coins, no accounts, no profits, here's exactly how I would rebuild my long-term portfolio from scratch and how I will make it completely tax-free along the way. This is the strategy I wish someone explained to me years ago. It would have saved me thousands of dollars, probably years of mistakes, and a whole lot of stress. So today I'm going to break down the exact steps I take to build a tax-efficient long-term crypto portfolio using a crypto Roth IRA and a simple strategy that anyone can follow. And let's get into it. Before you buy a single coin, you need to ask yourself this one question. What is your actual goal? Most people jump into crypto blind. They chase whatever is pumping on Twitter. They trade way too much. They overcomplicate everything. But if I was to start over, my goal would be simple. Build a portfolio that grows automatically, that is tax efficient, and that is designed for long-term growth, and definitely not quick flips. That means splitting your crypto into two different buckets. Bucket number one will be short-term trading and fun money for small plays, new coins, and high-risk experiments on regular exchanges. And the bucket number two, long-term retirement wealth for long-term holding my favorite projects such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Binance, and so on. In bucket number two, there will be zero trading, just long-term accumulation. And best of all, no stress. All of this will be done in a crypto IRA. This separation alone fixes 90% of crypto's problems. And for me, the long-term bucket would be the foundation because that is where tax-free magic happens. Step two is getting the structure right. If I was starting today, the first account that I would open is a Roth crypto IRA. This is the account that changes everything. A Roth crypto IRA lets you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, and other cryptocurrencies, and even precious metals such as gold. And the best part is all the growth is tax-free. If Bitcoin goes from 95,000 to 250,000 or 500,000 or even $1 million in the future and you sell at retirement, you owe zero capital gains tax. That's the cheat code. Wealthy people use Roth accounts for a reason. It is legal, it is smart, and it is extremely underutilized in crypto. Platforms like iTrustCapital make it easy. You can open an account, fund it with dollars, and buy your long-term crypto inside an IRA. It's that simple. And best of all, if you use the link in the description box below and you fund your account, you are going to get a $100 funding bonus. So that is extra free money that will help you in retirement. So definitely check that link out. And now let's talk about the actual portfolio. If I had to rebuild from scratch, I'd keep it simple. I would have about 50% of the entire portfolio in Bitcoin. That will be my foundation. Bitcoin is well established, best long-term risk-adjusted return, and it is perfect for a retirement account. The next 30%, I will pick 3 to 5 of my favorite altcoins, and I will pretty much divide it equally between those. For example, Solana, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and so on. These projects will have a lot of long-term potential for massive growth and massive returns. Also, they are a great hedge to Bitcoin dominance. Next, I will put 10% in precious metals such as gold, and then the other 10% I will use for smaller crypto projects. Definitely not meme coins or anything like that, but small crypto projects with small market caps. This will be my serious account that I will hold for the long term. Inside a crypto IRA, I will not get cute. I will stick with the basics. This account is for the long game, for the stuff that you actually believe will matter in the next 10, 15, 20 years from now. Your DGen plays, keep those outside of your IRA. And here's where the power really kicks in. You'll be able to automate everything. I'm talking about automatic contributions every single month. Don't try to time the market. Don't freak out on red days. Just buy continuously, week after week, month after month, year after year inside of your IRA. This will turn your crypto positions like Bitcoin and Ethereum into long-term stacks that compound tax-free. And your future self will thank you. The less you look at it, the better it performs. Trust me. And best of all, once the structure is set up, once the automated DCA is running, your job is to simply wait. This is the part that nobody wants to hear, but it is the most important part. Crypto rewards patience. Every major bull run has rewarded people who held through the noise. And when you combine long-term holding with tax-free growth inside a Roth IRA, you're giving yourself the best possible outcome. So to recap, if I had to start my crypto journey over today, this is exactly what I would do. Number one, get clear on the goal. Long-term wealth, not hype. Open a Roth crypto IRA. Build a tax-free wealth. Keep it simple. Long-term, well-established projects as your foundation. Number four, automate contributions. Remove emotion. And number five, let time compound your money. If you want to start building your own long-term tax-free crypto portfolio, I will leave my iTrustCapital link in the description box below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this breakdown. Drop a comment and let me know where you are on your crypto journey. And subscribe for more smart crypto strategies just like this one. See you in the next one. Peace out.